Good morning, students. Now we have to show about the solvation of linear diopentane equations by Euler method. Okay, this is a very important question. Here they asked to solve the linear diopentane equation 1076x plus 2076y equal to 3076 by Euler's method. Here A equal to 1076, B equal to 2076 and C equal to 3076. Now first find out the GCD of A comma B, that is GCD of 1076 and 2076. So using the technique, by normal technique of finding a GCD, we can find out the GCD value. See here 2 is the common divisor for both the number. So this is 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, so 8 2s are 18. So 538 into 2 is equal to 1076. Next 1 2s are 2, 0, 3 2s are 6 and 8 2s are 16. Next again we can divide both the number by 2. When we divide both the number by 2, we will get 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18 and then 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. So there is no common divisor for 269 and 519. So the GCD value of 1076 and 2076 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. And next we have to check 4 is a divisor of 3076 or not. So when you divide this 3076 by 4, we will get 7 4s are 28. Next 2 is a reminder, 27. 6 4s are 24. Then 36. 9 4s are 36. So from this division method, we can able to see that 4 is the divisor of 3076. 4 is the divisor of 3076 means the linear diopentane equation is solvable. So next step, you have to find out the values of x0 and y0. Using Euler's method, how to find out x0 and y0, we will see now. The given equation is 1076x plus 2076y equal to 3076. From this we can find out the value of x as 3076 minus 2076y divided by 1076. So now divide both the number by 1076, that is 3076 divided by 1076 minus 2076y divided by 1076. First I divide the number 3076 by 1076. 2 times of 1076 is nothing but 2152. So after subtracting 2152 from 3076, we will get 924 as the remainder. Similarly, we can divide the number minus 2076y by 1076. Here we can get the quotient as minus y. So minus y into 1076, we will get minus 1076y. After subtracting, we will get minus 1000y as a remainder. So this number can be written as 2 plus 924 divided by 1076, and minus 2076 y by 1076 can be written as minus y plus minus 1000 y divided by 1076, which may be rewritten as minus y plus 2 plus minus 1000 y plus 924 divided by 1076. So here we consider this rational number as u. Let u is equal to minus 1000 y plus 924 divided by 1076. So from this we can write as 1076 u equal to minus 1076 u plus 1000 y equal to 924. So from this equation we can find out the value of y as minus 1076 u plus 924 divided by 1000. So y equal to minus 1076 u divided by 1000 plus 924 divided by 1000. Now we have to use the same procedure as we used to solve x. Here we get, we have to divide minus 76 u by 1000. It is 1 times quotient. You will apply 1 quotient equal to 1. We will get quotient equal to minus u. If you take quotient equal to minus u, we will get minus 1000 u. So the remainder is minus 76 u. Next, 924 divided by 1000 is a normal rational number, so keep that one as it is. So this equation can be written as minus u minus 76 u divided by 1000 plus 924 divided by 1000. So which may be written as minus u minus 7 plus minus 76 u plus 924 whole thing divided by 1000. Again here we consider the rational number minus 76 u plus 924 divided by 1000 as v. Let v equal to minus 76 u plus 924 divided by 1000. From this we can find out the equation as 1000 v plus 76 u equal to 924. From this equation you can find out the value of u as minus 1000 v plus 924 divided by 76. Again we apply the division algorithm method. You will get you have to divide minus 1000 v by 76. So minus 13v. So minus 13v into 76 we will get 988v. After subtracting we will get 12v, minus 12v as the number. Next we have to subtract 924 by 76. So 12 times 76 is equal to 912. After subtracting we will get 12 as the remainder. So minus 1000v by 76 can be written as minus 13v plus minus 12v divided by 76. Similarly 924 can be written as 12 plus 12 by 76. So these numbers can be, after rewriting these numbers we can write this as minus 13v plus 12 plus minus 12v plus 12 divided by 76. So u equal to this value will get. Here this rational number can be considered as w. So w is equal to minus 12v plus 12 divided by 76. So this equation can be rewrite as 76w plus 12v equal to 12. So from this equation we can find out the value of w as w equal to minus 76w plus 12 whole thing divided by 12. So here also we can use the division algorithm. So you have to divide 76 minus 76w by 12. 6 times of 12 is equal to 72. So 6 times of minus 6w into 12 as minus 72w. After subtracting we will get minus after subtracting we will get minus 4w as the answer. So this can be written as minus 6w minus 4w by 12 plus 12 by 12. So this can be written as minus 6w minus w by 3 plus 1. So stop. Collecting the whole numbers one side, you will get minus 6w plus 1 minus w by 3. So because v is an integer, here w by 3 must be an integer. So let you consider that w by 3 as t. To obtain a particular solution, we get t equal to 0 when w equal to 0. So substitute w equal to 0 in v, we will get v answer as minus 6w plus 1 minus w by 3. Here you have to substitute w equal to 0. So you will get the answer as 1. So v equal to 1. First we get. Next, substitute v equal to 0 in u. You will get here u answer as minus 1000v plus 924 divided by 76 is your u value. Here you substitute v equal to 1. So you will get minus 1000 plus 924 divided by 76. So you will get the answer as minus 76 by plus 76. So u equal to 1. You will get, after simplifying, you will get u is equal to minus 1. Similarly, substitute this u equal to minus 1 in y. We have the y value as minus 1076u plus 924 divided by 1000. Here you have to substitute u is equal to minus 1. So u equal to minus 1 means you will get 1076 plus 924 divided by 1000. So you will get 2000 by 1000. After simplifying, you will get the answer for y as 2. So now substitute y equal to 2 in x value. We have the x value as minus 2076y plus 3076 whole thing divided by 1076. So when you substitute y equal to 2, you will get minus 4152 plus 3076 divided by 1076. After simplifying, we will get the value of x as minus 1. Consider this x value as x naught initial value and y value as y naught 2. To find the general solution, with t as an arbitrary integer, we'll get w is equal to 3t, that is w by 3 equal to t. From that we get the value as w is equal to 3t. Substitute this w is equal to 3t in v value, that is v equal to minus 6w plus 1 minus w by 3. Here you substitute w is equal to 3t, means we will get the answer as the value of v as v is equal to minus 19t plus 1. So substitute this v value in u, you will get u as 250t minus 1. Substitute this u value in y, you will get the answer for y as minus 269t plus 2. So now substitute this value y in x, we will get x as 519t minus 1. Hence, the general solution is x equal to 519t minus 1 and y is equal to minus 269t plus 2.